Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another review video, and this time of another Baltany watch that I had the chance to wear for a couple of weeks now. So I thought I'd give my full review of the watch, put it on a time grapher, do the usual stuff, and as usual, this is the invitation to subscribe to the channel. It does help the channel a lot. And yeah, so this one I got basically at the same time as this one, and I've been wearing them both in, let's say, this outside and this inside. So this one I'm going out of the house, and this is inside the house. I even slept with this yesterday because I was so tired and I forgot to take off the watch. And actually on this strap I have to say I really liked it, but yeah, I'm digressing. I'll cover this in another video. And yeah, so this Baltany is a homage to the Vacheron Constantin Historique Américain 1921, which captures the 20s, let's say, essence. It's a driver's watch, so basically it's a watch that you won't need to swivel around. So basically when you're driving, you can just look and you will see the time like this. Put it on the wrist and show you later on. But yeah, that's the history about the watch. Baltany makes a lot of homage watches, and I think they're one of the best of making homage watches. This one starts like maybe around 25-30,000 euros, the Vacheron Constantin one. So I didn't see any kind of added value for me to get it. It's out of my budget. That's number one. And number two, this offers so much for the money. This is less than 1% of the price. So you get it like for 160. If you get it for a discount, 130. I got this for 160. Ordered it before the discount phase. And what you get with this watch is a 38 millimeters in diameter, a lug-to-lug distance of 44, a thickness of 9.5 because this is the hand-wind Seagull ST1700, which runs on 21600, so 3 beats, 3 hertz. 20 joules, 40 hours power reserve. 40 hours power reserve, I don't think so. I loaded it a couple of days ago fully, and then wore this one for 2 days, and no, not even 2 days, less than 2 days, and this was out. So 40 hours power reserve, I don't know. But yeah, so what you get also is a salmon dial with applied indices, as you can see. Seconds sub-dial at the 3 o'clock. And you have these kind of fake rivets on the lug endings, as if to make like it's a screw instead of a spring bar, but it has a normal spring bar. You get a traveling watch roll. You also get this Baltany strap, which I didn't use because, as you can see, put on a blue one. So it's not a bad strap. It's supple. It's genuine leather, but it's not bad. I would definitely recommend upgrading for a nice exotic leather like I did with this ostrich. It comes also with a NATO. I have no idea why they would put a Bond NATO, but yeah, you can use it on another watch. It's 20 millimeters, so lug width, so very universal. So that's what you get with the watch. And like I said, you have this polished finish all over. So you have a very, let's say, dress watchy finish. And look, on the strap, it's around 67 grams, and it has 50 meters of water resistant. Sapphire crystal with AR coating, 316L steel, and yeah, the strap is too large for my wrist. I need to make a couple of holes more. Here we go, how it looks on the strap. I think it looks really nice, especially with the blue second hand. Just complements it really well from this side. So basically when you're driving, you just look at it like this, and you're like, it's 12 to 10. So now you know, you don't need to swivel and look to catch the time. So, what I think about the watch, I think it's really beautiful, to be honest. Like I said, it gives you 70% of the feeling of this watch for less than 1% of the price. That's a winner in my book. It's not loud, the movement is very quiet, I have to say. Um, that's also a reason I had a manual wind. Sometimes I have issues with winding because, like, you have to meet the strap somehow, and maybe with time I would be making some damage on the strap just from the oils from my hand. Um, what else? What else? Yeah, the minute track around is really nice. Like I said, the blue second hand is a nice touch. Screws on the back is good. I didn't open it. As you can see, I still have the sticker. I'll take it off. I still have the sticker on it, so I didn't take the case back off because I didn't need to adjust it or anything. But now I'll put it on the time grapher and see if it needs really adjustment or not. I have to say, I couldn't have wanted it to be better. 0 seconds running, did like a -1, 4 + 3. So excellent numbers, I have to say. Amplitude, a little bit low for a new watch, at beat error 0.1. But like I said, you buy this kind of watch not for the accuracy, you buy it for the look it gives and for the money that you buy for. So it's definitely a good value for money in my books. So, what I think about the watch, I think it's a really nice watch. If you're looking for a dress watch, get yourself a salmon dial or the silver dial. I'm thinking about trading this one in, sending it back to Baltany and getting the white one. Maybe I have to do this in the next time there is sales, because I really think with the loom it will be more usable for me, as I will be using it more around the house, because for me dress watches, I have already several dress watches that I would prefer to wear it over this one when I'm in a kind of formal situation. But yeah, for the money you pay for it, it's a great watch, I have to say. Definitely great work from Baltany. Not the last watch I will be reviewing from them. So like I said, I ordered this one. I paid full money for it even before the sales. So I thought it was worth the 170 euros or something like that. And now, when you find it on sale for like 140 or something, I think it's a great value for money. So, if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section. And as always, the invitation to subscribe. You find the subscription button in the middle and 2 videos on the right and on the left that you might enjoy as well. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.